DIY salon armchair. So, I had this idea to create a cushion for my client. So I provide a hair spa to my client. So this chair actually has a massager under it. And I wanted something where it will match the decor of the salon, but also where they can actually have a cushion. And so this is what I came up with. I hope that you enjoyed the video. It's super short. It was really easy. I will link everything that I used, or even just link the actual cover, because that's the only thing that you really need. And I got that from Amazon, of course. I looked at other things, but it just didn't work. This one actually worked the best, and everybody so far loves it. So yeah. This is what I did. go. So the clients can sit and not worry about their arms or elbows hurting. Nice and comfy. I have a massager under here. And yeah, so cool. I'm gonna get another pillow that's long ways that say relax, but it's gonna be the black and white. And that's it. This is the pillow that I actually went with, and I got it at home. I took some of the stuffing out because it was just too big. But yeah, so this is it, and this is the massager. And yeah, I'm really excited. Like I said, everybody have loved it so far. It's so comfortable, it's snug, and it's just like the finishing piece to relaxation here. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a blessed day. Remember, we are not just a salon, we are an experience.